You sit down at a restaurant. The waiter comes over, and suddenly your English just disappears. Are you ready to order? How would you like that cooked? These moments happen every time. Could I get the pasta, please? Actually, can I change my order? Real sentences for real situations. Ordering food in English. Every line you need from the moment you walk in to the moment you walk out. I'm Mark, and this is English with Mark. If this is your first time, welcome. Let's start. Ordering food at a restaurant in English. Simple in theory. Hard when the waiter is right there. Today we practice every part of it. Walking in, ordering, problems, paying. I say it, you repeat it. Every line. Let's go. Section 1. Walking in and getting seated. A table for one, please. A table for one, please. A table for two, please. A table for two, please. Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? Yes, under Mark. Yes, under Mark. No, we don't have one. No, we don't have one. How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Could we get a quieter table? Could we get a quieter table? This table is perfect, thank you. This table is perfect, thank you. Section 2. Looking at the menu. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Do you have a menu in English? Do you have a menu in English? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What's the most popular dish? What's the most popular dish? What comes with this? What comes with this? Is this spicy? Is this spicy? Does this contain nuts? Does this contain nuts? Is this dish vegetarian? Is this dish vegetarian? How big is the portion? How big is the portion? I'm ready to order. I'm ready to order. Section 3. Ordering your food. I'll have the pasta, please. I'll have the pasta, please. I'd like the steak, please. I'd like the steak, please. Could I get the soup to start? Could I get the soup to start? For my main, the salmon, please. For my main, the salmon, please. I'll take the burger. I'll take the burger. Can I get that without onions? Can I get that without onions? Fries for a salad instead? Fries for a salad instead? I'll have the same. I'll have the same. We're still deciding. We're still deciding. Could you give us a few more minutes? Could you give us a few more minutes? Section 4. Drinks and extras. What drinks do you have? Yes, mine. What drinks do you have? Just water, please. Just water, please. Still or sparkling? Still or sparkling? Still, please. Still, please. Can I get a Coke? Can I get a Coke? A glass of red wine, please. A glass of red wine, please. Some bread while we wait? Some bread while we wait? Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Can we get some more water? Can we get some more water? Could I get some extra napkins? Could I get some extra napkins? Section 5. When something isn't right. Excuse me. Excuse me. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. I ordered chicken, not beef. I ordered chicken, not beef. This is cold. Could you warm it up? This is cold. Could you warm it up? Could I get some more sauce? Could I get some more sauce? This is delicious. This is delicious. My compliments to the chef. My compliments to the chef. Could we get some extra plates? Could we get some extra plates? We'd like to share this. We'd like to share this. Could you pack this up to go? Could you pack this up to go? Section 6. Dessert and the bill. Could we see the dessert menu? Could we see the dessert menu? What do you have for dessert? What do you have for dessert? I'll have the chocolate cake. I'll have the chocolate cake. Nothing for me, I'm full. Nothing for me, I'm full. Could I get a coffee, please? Could I get a coffee, please? Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Can we get the check? Can we get the check? We'll pay separately. We'll pay separately. We'll pay together. We'll pay together. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Section 7. Full conversation. I play both sides. You repeat every line. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken. Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken. How would you like that cooked? How would you like that cooked? Medium, please. Medium, please. Would you like any sides with that? Would you like any sides with that? Yes, the roasted vegetables, please. Yes, the roasted vegetables, please. Of course, and to drink? Of course, and to drink? Just sparkling water, please. Just sparkling water, please. Perfect. I'll put that in for you. Perfect. I'll put that in for you. Thank you. Thank you. Last section. Real things people say at restaurants. Actually, can I change to the fish? Actually, can I change to the fish? Been waiting 20 minutes. Any update? Been waiting 20 minutes. Any update? This is really good. I'll come back. This is really good. I'll come back. Could you split the bill 3 ways? Could you split the bill 3 ways? Mistake on the bill. I didn't order this. Mistake on the bill. I didn't order this. Keep the change. Keep the change. Everything was wonderful, thank you. Everything was wonderful, thank you. That's ordering food at a restaurant in English. Walking in, ordering, fixing problems, paying, leaving. Next time you sit down, you're ready. I'm Mark. See you in the next episode.